Top 5 must-have free software for Windows users. Are you a Windows user looking for essential free software? In this video, I'll introduce you to the top 5 free tools that every Windows user should have. First up is VLC Media Player. It plays almost any video or audio format you can think of, making it a must-have for all your media needs. Next, we have Libra Office. It's a free alternative to Microsoft Office, offering powerful tools for word processing, spreadsheets, and presentations. CCleaner is another great tool. It cleans up unnecessary files and optimizes your system for better performance. GIMP is a free, professional-grade image editor, perfect for those who need advanced photo editing without paying for Photoshop. Finally, we have 7-Zip, a free tool for compressing and extracting files. It's lightweight, fast, and supports a variety of formats. Which software do you use the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more Windows tips.